Everybody, this is epicwhaleburger here, and today I'm going to be continuing my HTML tutorial series to part 2, which will strictly focus on images and links. Now, my first video came out and it wasn't that popular, but anybody that watched it, thanks very much. I really appreciate it. Thanks for all the likes if anybody liked it. It means a lot to me. I just can't imagine if this channel grew into anything big. That would be amazing for me. But, of course, that would be in the extremely long run. I'm just more focused about pleasing YouTube. But anyway, it's been quite a while since I've made another, another HTML video. So I might forget some stuff. Some things might not work. If that happens, I apologize ahead of time. But let's get started, because you don't want to hear me talk all day. We want to get a new one set up. Alrighty, I was kind of testing what I was going to do earlier. So I want to get a new one. Okay, there we go. So just reviewing, get a little flashback from the first video if you didn't see it. We talked about how to set up a page, and I'll do that really quickly. Oops. Probably should have done this ahead of time. But anybody that's watching, I'm pretty sure they don't mind. Okay, cool. So let's actually save this really quickly. Let's call it image and pic.html. Now remember, you want to save it as an HTML file, so when the computer reads it, it will know to read it as an HTML file. But anyway, let's talk about what we reviewed in the last video. We talked about paragraph tags, and this is how you type stuff in a web page. So any writing you see in a web page will be in a paragraph tag like this. So let's save this, and it'll be right here. And here we go. Look, see how it says hello right there? That means everything's working fine, and that is really awesome. So as you can see, it says hello because we typed it in our paragraph tag right here. And another thing we know is our heading tags, and we know that H1 is the biggest. So if we do hello again, and then we do a hello in an H6 tag, which is the smallest, we will see the difference. Open that up and refresh it, and here we go. So hello, as you can see, it's much bigger than the smallest heading. So if you wanted things to stick out on your web page, this would be another option. Anyway, so aside from all of that, the main focus on this is images and pictures. So basically every website you'll come across today has images and pictures, and any website that doesn't, well, let's just say it's not a very good website. So let's say we want to start out with links. I'm sorry, I do not know why I called this images and pictures. Those are the same things. We will be focusing on links and pictures. That was a brain fart of mine. I'm sorry about that. So let's focus on the link first. So if you have a web page that you want to link to another web page, this is how you do it. So it starts out like this. So we do a tag, which is a space href, href, and we do an equal sign, and then this is where we put our website. So since I'm putting this on YouTube, let's do this. youtube.com. Sweet. And you know how we end it with another tag. That's our closing. So sweet. Now on our web page, when we go to see this, it will show youtube.com. And that's awesome. But we can take it another step forward. A lot of times on websites, you'll see things that say click here and things. So we want to add that, and I'll show you how to. So instead of it just saying the link http blah 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 youtube.com, we can say click here instead, so people will know where to click. So all we have to do for that is type click here, and people will know where to click now. So let's just save that and open back up this and reload, and see this is where our link popped up where it says click here, and we're wondering, okay, where will it take us? Oh, it will take us to YouTube, except my computer is slow. Okay, cool. So we all know that it's working, and that's awesome. Now we can focus on images. Now, along with awesome links that we can now do, we also need awesome images. So how to do an image? It's pretty easy. We just do image, img, source, which we abbreviate as src. And we do the same thing as the link tag. We do the equal sign and the quotations. So I was thinking of a cool picture to post, so I'm just going to use this YouTube picture. It's quite big, but I'll just show you how it works. So basically, we want to find the URL of the picture that we want. So here it is, and let's just copy and paste all of it. So we just simply go into here, and right between these two quotation marks right here, we paste our URL. So yes, that's very long, but that's okay. And we can close it like this. But there is something a little bit different with image tags. I'm not sure why. You could research it on your own. It's just something I don't know. We don't actually have to put this in the end. We can make it actually kind of like one big tag if we do a /n like that. So what we do is we eliminate the image part and we put a /. I'm not too sure why, but that works. But first, for just showing you guys how it is, or how it works, what you're used to, I will do it like this. So now we have our image source, and this should display the picture, I'm hoping. And let's reload this. And here we go. It's giant. But so let's say you want to advertise YouTube on your channel, well, or YouTube on your webpage. You're like, YouTube's an awesome website. You could put a picture of YouTube, you could put your account picture, anything, and then it could say like, click here, and you're like, oh, okay, I'll click there, and it takes you to YouTube. So if you open up any website, I'm promising you that they would have one of these two, and it's just another quick tip of how to start your website and make it look good. Anyway, thanks for watching this. Give this a like. If you thought I was that awesome, please subscribe, and take it easy.